Welcome to 1A. We literally just completed this week. Everything is brand new. You're going to be the first one to use anything. The fixtures, appliances, electrical, plumbing, everything went down to the bones. You're going to be the first one to put food, laundry, entertain, everything. You got this incredible style waterfall countertop. Just unbelievable, beautiful, easily fit. It's very small on camera, at least 4 chairs in person. On camera, it looks a lot smaller. But this countertop, one big piece of stone, just absolutely incredible. And then you got a nice window here for those people who are looking to air out when they cook. Again, everything's a lot smaller. You got a deep sink. And then you have this incredible exposed brick. This was very expensive to do. The owner didn't want to do it, but I insisted to give it some character. Got some metal above the very high style windows. What's nice is that these blinds, they can go up, they can go down, they can go all the way up. You know, it's the dual up and down. You got some nice storage on top here if you wanted to put pictures and artwork. Then you got some heating down here. I don't know why I'm losing my breath. What's nice is high ceilings. It doesn't come out on camera, but recessed lighting throughout, that was also expensive to do. And then minimalistic kitchen fixtures as well. Closets, you got them. You got a nice coat closet here. Then you got a regular style kind of broom closet as well, top to bottom, plenty of storage. There's your security system. And this is an absolutely stunning bathroom. You got a waterfall style glass shower, which is just beautiful. Just the marble, everything, it just flows. This is very important. A lot of people don't talk about it, but you got to aerate in the winter. You got some subway tiles on both sides. Brand new everything when it comes to the bathroom. Very spacious as well. Coming over here, you got dual closets, which is also, again, floor all the way up. So you could pack these. And this is huge. This does not do justice on video, but you could easily fit a king. Just king, dual nightstands, put a dresser over there. This looks absolutely tiny on camera, unfortunately, but that's what you get for wide angle lenses. Then you got another closet over here. This is the window that goes to the air shaft, and then this goes towards the back. You're not gonna get light back here, but what's nice is that is south facing, so you will get a little bit of light, but it's really quiet, it's gonna be dark, it's gonna be great for sleeping, and man, I wish this could come out a little bit better. And then we replaced that. It used to be the big dinosaur one, but we put in a more modern high ceilings. You got a super, which is great, 212 East 13th Street. The location is unbelievable. Again, I lived here for 3 years. You got Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, all of the transportation of Union Square. You got the markets on Saturday when it's warm out. It's a beautiful unit, high ceilings. Come get it, it's yours.